Hi everyone, this is Yad from the channel and welcome back to this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about actually how you can connect webcam to MacBook. So for instance, I have Logitech C920 HD or Full HD actually, and this is it. So might be you know it, might be you don't know it, maybe you have the update version from it or for the Pro version now 4K. So, but anyway, this is just the way how you can run or how you can use webcam on Mac. So I was really very busy to find a way actually to use my webcam on the MacBook. Actually, because there is a lot of things that going on around this problem or issues, and I would like to share the best programs I found in the market that they can run this camera. And also you can edit the settings or modify the settings of the web camera. So let's jump into it. As you see here, I have many different programs. Let's just take a look for every one of them and let's see the picture of it and the audio also. So the first program, as you see here, is EBOC Cam Viewer. Actually, this program it just doesn't work. I don't know why, but there is something with it. It doesn't work. Like he's still searching for a network. But I believe also maybe this program for network cameras. So might be this is not what you are looking for. And the second program I have here, webcam. If you just press on it, then you're really not gonna find anything. Press here and still looking for a camera. I don't know when he will finish, but maybe tomorrow, maybe today, I don't know. So the third program is cam record light. So we are just gonna wait for it. As you see here, camera record HD capture video record light. So it's really a very long title for a program, but anyway, he really made the job done. So as you see here, you have two choices: the C922 Pro Stream webcam, as you see here, and this is also the FaceTime ID. Here you have also additional programs. I just will press on it so that then I can let you see the quality of the picture. Of course, here you have also frame rate, you have size, you have bitrate also, and here also you can add text into it. So if I just wanna press it, so it's not gonna do it, so let's just stop it. And if you want actually to get all the stuff or all of the preferences of this program, then you need to buy it. So as you see here, this is light version, can record only 40 seconds. If you want to record long time, then you must pay or just to buy it. Anyway, let's close this program. This is also that you can add it here, as you see. This is also cam recorder, video recorder. This is like just also press here. So this is a program more advanced. As you see here, also you can select the camera, you can select the audio, format video, video rate, resolution, bit rate, and like you can, there is a lot of choices that you can do, as you see here also. This is a really nice program and you have all options just to do whatever you like. There's also option to edit the video and hide settings, new camera record, and then stop it now. So as you see here also we have the same things. As I believe this is just the same program from the same company, but they release more than one version, or maybe they just release one program and he doesn't work, then they make a new one with a new name, with a new icon, and then they just released in the market. Okay, and let's turn this one, and there is also webcam settings. Webcam settings, I really saw a lot of YouTubers, they make explanation about it, but here he just doesn't work. I don't know why, but he just doesn't work. But as you see here, he's just talking about the bitrate, the gain, the picture, brightness, contrast, and a lot of settings, advanced, and there is also preferences. So, but with me it just doesn't work. And let's move to the next one. The next one is very, very amazing. Mofavi Screen Record 10. So this is a program, is just like Camtasia, if you know Camtasia, or if you heard about it. It's really very amazing. So you have like this one capture area, you can also select area, you can also here choose the resolution of it, and here is the webcam, here is also the system audio, and this is also the microphone, this is also the timer, this is how here also you can take a picture. You can jump to the settings as you see here just from this one, and you can also choose your camera or your resolution, of course the frame rate. They have from 5 till 30. So, and really I see this is the best program until now, because if you just take a look on my picture here, so it's just perfect. As you see, there is no lagging or something like this. With some of previous programs you have lagging, sometime you have problems. So, and also here you can choose where you want to put your camera or something like this. And there is also effects, there is sharing, there is file, there is a lot of things that you can actually really work with too. Highlight, also you can highlight the mouse and highlight scrolls, mouse click sound, also you can, this is really nice. And if you just hit that record button, then as you see here also, like, okay, we are starting, then you can see there's also no picture, your picture it's not gonna show up on the screen. Might be that's really annoying, because it's more comfortable for you if you just see your picture on the screen, of course. Anyway, just stop it, and as you see here also, this is the video, you can also play it. Okay, we are starting, then you can see there's also no picture, your picture is not gonna, so the sound also is amazing. I don't know, but might be some of you have also the same issue, that when I run this camera on Windows and I'm gonna record something, then the sound is just disappear. But when I use this program or here in Mac, the sound really seems okay, cool. I can hear myself, but when I'm recording on Windows, there is really no sound at all, almost at all. Like there is just 1% from the camera that I have like a choice to hear myself in the video. Anyway, this program also have them own version for editor, so but I need of course to install the editor, then I can play with it. And there is also webcam setting control. This one is perfect to work with that one. This is, as you see here, if I just press here just to let you see the effect of the camera, of course here you can choose the camera, here you can choose the brightness of it. As you see here, the contrast, you have control to all of the camera settings, saturation, sharpness. There is here exposure, you can also control the exposure. I will let you forward, but I will let it auto focus. Also you can use the focus. Here you can also choose frequency, 60 Hz, 50 Hz or disable, or auto, as you see here. Here you have also save as preset, default settings, preview. So this is really a nice one if you want to maybe like increase the brightness of the picture when you are recording in a low settings or something like this. I hope this video was useful. So if you liked it, please give a like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask it below and I will answer you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.